Do you want to effortlessly loop your favorite videos? Making infinite video loops for Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform is incredibly simple using CapCut. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Tap plus Add Video and select the clip you want to loop. Once it's in the timeline, you're ready for the magic. Now, to create the loop, tap the video on the timeline and hit Duplicate. Repeat this step as many times as needed until your timeline looks like one continuous video. You can stack it up to the exact duration you need. Once your loop is set, tap the Export button in the top right corner. Adjust the quality settings if needed, then hit Save. Boom! Your looped video is ready. Now here's the final look of your video. That's it! A perfect loop in under 2 minutes. Try it for your next edit, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick editing tips like this one. Thanks for watching.